Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim, bringing you guys Daily Deals with Tim, where I talk about the latest news and deals on cryptocurrency, all for you guys. And before I begin, this is my personal opinion and not financial advice. Now today, I want to share with you guys a Bitcoin trading fail. Now this guy posted on Reddit almost a month ago of how he lost nearly 200 Bitcoins trading this past month. So this is probably around January time. But Bitcoin trading and crypto trading in general, this is simply my opinion, but in general, you're going to lose a lot. Now, how do I know? Because I started off with trading these cryptos and my gosh, I didn't lose a lot, but I could see myself keep losing these trades. Not only that, my emotions were going wild. I couldn't sleep at times. I was keep on looking at the price. Oh gosh, it dropped by 2%. Should I sell? Now I was constantly asking myself, and just your head goes wild when you're trying to trade Bitcoin, because at first you try to do it full time and then you try to put it aside. Maybe I'll just do it part time, but your head's constantly thinking about it, so you're basically trying to trade 24/7, and that's when madness starts and just things go wild. So I say this on my channel a lot of the times. This is how I do it. This is simply my opinion, but I like to hodl all my coins. And hodling is probably the best option or best method of investing into cryptocurrency for most of the people out there. However, you need to research and pick some quality coins that will have long-term benefits and long-term gains. So what I like to do is research these coins and come up with a couple of coins that I like to hodl on for the very long term. But aside from that, let's go into this story. So, long story short, he started trading a year ago with margin longing whole run from 1K to 19K Bitcoin. And he turned 3 Bitcoins from playing poker into nearly 200 Bitcoins. 4 million at top and 2 million in current prices. He thought he was a trading genius, but this is when the sadness starts. After a dump from 19K to 11K, he went long on bottom and started adding positions from the bounce from 12K to 13K, going up, and then 16K was dead cat. His position was further 100 BTC in profit. Now instead of closing it then and having a total 300 BTC, he increased leverage and increased the position size, and the position was liquidated, dropped back to 12K, and he lost the 100 BTC profit. And he was devastated, down to 150 BTC. Now, 150 is still pretty big, but when you lose that much BTC in half, you kind of want to make up for it, but this is when it gets worse and worse. Now, he came to the conclusion that the pump to 16K was a dead cat and that we're going lower. So he shorted at 12K, added at 13K, added 14 and 15K, got liquidated at top of 17K. Another 50 BTC loss, down to 100. Now, he thought because we went at a higher high at 17K, the uptrend's back. So he went long and got liquidated at 13K. Now 50 BTC left. Devastated. He had no clue what's going on. Sat through the drop to 9K. And when we bounced, he thought it could be the bottom. He longed at 11,500. Panic closed at 10,500. When we went to 13K, he was kicking himself for panic closing and went long on 12,800 and liquidated this morning to his last Bitcoin. 3 BTC to 200 to 0. Now let's have a moment of silence for this guy. But I don't even know if this story is true. But this could be said for any traders out there that are kind of getting into the space or maybe beginning trading. It might not be as much from 3 BTC to 200 to 0, but you might have lost 10% of your portfolio, maybe 20%, maybe 50% from trading. But you could be saying, but Tim, I hodled all my coins through the December and January and I lost almost 50%. Now, that's the same for me. I had my portfolio and it went almost 50% down. However, would I sell at the bottom of the dip? Or should you hodl through the dip and buy more at the dip? Now, as you buy through the dip, I dollar cost average it so that I don't put a whole lot into one position, but that I would kind of diversify it through the different periods. And right now, I think compared to the beginning of the year, I'm maybe 20% down. But we just came back from a crazy dip to 6,000. So I'm kind of happy with where I am, and I'm simply dollar cost averaging more during these dips. Now, I don't even know if it's a dip right now or not, but it just seems neutral to me. So when it consolidates, I like to invest in more. But that aside, this is the trading story of one guy. It might be true, it might be false, it might be just a made-up story, but I'm just telling you guys, if you guys haven't traded before, or if you're going through a trade, or if you like to day trade, just saying, be careful out there, because the market is out to get you. I'll repeat that again. The market is out to get you. But if you hodl, you will go through ups and downs, not as much as trading, but you will reap the benefits in long term. But that's not financial advice, that's simply my opinion. But I'm just warning you guys, be careful of trading. And I'll just end at that. So, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this kind of content, like this video, comment below, and smash that subscribe button. Also, if you guys want to support this channel, check out the links below, and I'll really appreciate that. And as always, I'll bring you guys more deals on Daily Deals with Tim.